Hello all. This tutorial will help you to understand and make cloud renderings. Cloud rendering. Autodesk provides users with cloud rendering. Design firms have great hardware to render quickly, but Autodesk also provides its servers for rendering. The render quality is a bit better and faster than Revit Rendering. Cloud rendering is a paid service. However, for educational purposes, it is offered for free. Step 1. Once your render settings are what you want to produce, click Render in Cloud from the View tab, under Presentation panel. Step 2. If you are a first-time user of Cloud Render, you must sign in into an Autodesk account, email, password, and text code required. Step 3. Double-check your view name, output type, still image, render quality, image size, and exposure. Step 4. Click Email when complete. Step 5. Click Render, the rendering process will start. I hope this tutorial clarifies you to understand and make cloud renderings. Thank you.